Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure OpenAI resource, API key or managed identity, and Power Automate plan that allows HTTP calls. Once verified, create a new flow and choose a trigger that matches your use case. Next, add an HTTP action and set method to post. Make sure to target the OpenAI endpoint region. Also, configure headers for authorization and content type so the request is accepted. This gets you into the live request phase quickly. Once done with the HTTP action, craft the JSON payload. Pick model, prompt, max tokens, and temperature, and include any system messages. Then, use Power Automate expressions to inject dynamic content like form fields or variables into the prompt, so results are contextual. After you receive the response, add a parse JSON action using a sample response to extract fields. Make sure to map outputs to subsequent actions like Teams, Outlook, or data stores for downstream use. To finish, wire parsed outputs into your target actions and run end-to-end tests with realistic triggers. Make sure to add scope-based error handling, retry policies, and logging to capture any bad responses or throttling. If you hit errors, first validate the API key, region-specific endpoint, and quota limits, then check header formatting and JSON structure. Finally, monitor usage and fine-tune prompt tokens and temperature to reduce cost and improve consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.